In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Google Classroom in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a teacher assigning class materials or a student turning in an assignment, this process is quick and straightforward. So let's dive in and make sure you can efficiently manage your classroom tasks. First, you'll need to visit the Google Classroom website by navigating to classroom.google.com. Here you'll see a prompt to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use the account associated with your class. This ensures you have access to all the relevant materials and assignments. If you're not already signed in, whoops, there's a simple sign in button waiting for you at the top. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard displaying all the classes you're involved in. Click on the class where you want to upload your video. This action opens up the classroom interface where all coursework is managed. It's like the digital hub of your learning environment. Teachers will want to focus on this to distribute assignments, while students can see what tasks have been assigned to them. Now it's time to create or open an assignment or material. If you're a student, you'll be looking for the specific assignment you want to work on. Once you've found it, you'll need to click on Add or Create, followed by selecting File. This is your path to upload your video. This part is pretty user-friendly. Just ensure you know where the video file is located on your device. For teachers, the process has a slight variation. From the main class interface, you'll click on the Classwork tab. Here you should see a Create button. Go ahead and click on it to start crafting a new assignment or material, whichever suits your needs. This feature helps you organize your teaching materials effectively, ensuring that everything is streamlined for your students. After you've navigated to the point of uploading, select your video file from your device. Depending on the size of your video and your internet connection, this might take a few seconds to a few minutes, so be patient and make sure to let the upload complete. Once your video has finished uploading, students should look for the Turn In button and give it a click. This finalizes your submission, sending it to your teacher for review. Remember, the magic's in the details, so double check that everything is as it should be before you turn it in. Teachers, after your file has uploaded, it's time to decide. Do you want to assign this now or post it for later? Clicking Assign will distribute it to all the students in the class immediately, while Post will wait until you're ready. This flexibility allows for optimal class management. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your video to Google Classroom. Whether you're turning in an assignment or preparing this for your class, you've completed this task quickly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most out of your digital classroom space.